Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Moomoo to buy stocks. Moomoo is a popular trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other financial instruments. To get started, first download and install the Moomoo app on your mobile device or access it through the website. Once you have installed the app or accessed the website, create an account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide identification documents to verify your account. After your account is verified, fund your account by depositing money into it. You can do this by linking your bank account or using other payment methods such as credit or debit cards. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to buy the stocks you want. Next, search for the stock you want to buy by typing the company name or ticker symbol in the search bar. You can also browse through the various categories such as popular stocks, indices, or sectors to find the stock you are looking for. Once you have found the stock you want to buy, click on it to view its details. This will include the current price, trading volume, and other relevant information. You can also view charts and analysis to help you make a more informed decision. To place a buy order, click on the buy button and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a limit price, which is the maximum price you are willing to pay for the stock. Review your order carefully before submitting it to ensure everything is correct. After you have submitted your order, it will be executed at the current market price or at your specified limit price. You can view the status of your order in the order history section of the app or website. It is essential to have a basic understanding of investing and the risks involved before buying stocks. It is also crucial to set a budget and stick to it to avoid overextending yourself. Additionally, consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different asset classes to minimize risk. In conclusion, using Moomoo to buy stocks is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of investing and the platform itself. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start buying stocks and achieving your financial goals. Remember to always prioritize risk management and invest responsibly.